Hello everyone, this is Barto. So come follow me.
Come.
Our brother is now going again. Nah, bro, we can still see you, bro.
Come to the
I
sunset
feel
then.
like I should speed.
I show speed. Walk like I show speed. Do you know who is Leonardo?
Leonardo?
Yeah.
Yes, he's a famous footballer.
Yes. And he is from
Portugal.
Portugal.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's beautiful
this
shop,
is-
bro.
This is the plants.
Plants.
Show it to the one.
Okay. That's the plant.
So, follow me. So this is where you go buy some Starbucks pizza.
Salva vida.
Yeah.
Hi, kuya.
Kuya, behind.
Say hi to the vlog, kuya.
Hi guys.
Hi, guys. Introduce the place, kuya.
I went to pace.
Want to?
So follow me.
Follow me. Next.
This one.
You haven't introduced the pool yet.
Pool?
Yeah.
That's for part 3.
Part 3?
Yes.
Picture mo na. Picture. Okay. No, picture kuya.
Naka-video ka pa?
Oh, video ako. Oh, nice. Bastusin kuya.
Bro, you're gonna get out.
Oh, maban tayo sa vlog natin.
You're gonna kick out of our vlog. Miss, bagong ka ba? So this
Oh.
is the wall.
Wall.
So,
The wall.
show it. It looks beautiful.
Can you
right?
read what it says here?
Cafe. I don't know.
Coffee lover? Ka nga.
Lover ka nga, pero
Wala ka namang lover. Oh, shish. Okay, let's go back.
So, pause it. Pause. So, let's go to the pool.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Tan, tan, tan.
Ikuan mo yung kuan? Video?
Yes.
Video pa rin yan.